going? Come here, little girl. Oh, gonna read a book. Hey, sweetie. River. Hi, little girl.
Yes, I found it.
River.
Yes, it's going up.
River. Hi, baby. She just got up from her nap. Had a good sleep. Big poop. Didn't you? Yes, you did, and you're stinky girl. You're the stinky girl. Oh, trying to get up now. She's watching her brother play Wii.
Yes.